Hi guys, welcome to the third lecture of our Python for Data interview series. So let's see the third question. Today the third question is identify the missing values in the data frame. So guys, let's just start with one question at a time. So we have a data frame. Let me just show you a data frame as well which we have. So guys, the data frame is like this. We have name, age and score. I think it's self-explanatory. So the first question is identify missing values in the data frame. So how do we do that, guys? Write this command, that is df dot is null, and then if we just do like this, so it's gonna help us identify the missing values, but the good way would be like this. Okay, so it's gonna tell that in which column how many missing values are there. So we are good till here. Okay, what's the next question? It's just that you need to know that hey, we have a function is null and sum. Okay, so let's just move to the second question. The second question is replace missing values in the age column with mean age. So how do we do that? So guys, first of all we'll have to say df age dot. So how do we replace missing values? So we are filling what? Na. We are filling the missing values with what we are filling. We are filling with mean. Okay, and obviously we want the data frame itself to change, so that's why we use in place as well. I hope guys this is okay, right? I don't find any issues over here, so this much is okay. Let's just try to add one more code snippet. Drop rows where all values are missing. Okay, so how do we get this done? So see what guys, what we have to do, we need to drop na. Okay, df dot drop na. Okay, how? So this is the parameter which you should know. All values are missing, and then we can just write in place is equal to true. So guys, this is how you drop all the rows where stuff is. So you've just dropped everywhere where the thing was null. Okay, so it didn't work. Okay, this still has score is equal to nan. Okay, let's just say drop na and maybe try axis is equal to 0, and let me now try it. See guys, we were able to get rid of it. Okay guys, so just be calm, everything will work out. Fill the missing scores with the forward fill method. Okay, now anyhow guys, we have dropped the rows where values are missing, so there is nothing to fill. But still, to explain this question, let me rerun this code and let me add one piece of code cell over here. Let me see df. So guys, this is something which was even asked to me as well, that if you have a data frame, how would you make sure that the value gets filled by the forward filling method? Okay guys, see, just see the score, just see the score for this name is equal to nan. Okay, so just see this row, you will see how do I do it. So the thing is, how do we do it is df score. So what we need to do, again we need to fill na, but this time the method would be ffill, and we need in place is equal to true. Let's just see df. Were you able to see guys how this value got replaced by this value? So it goes and sees the last prior value and fills it up. And guys, verify that there are no missing values in the data frame. I think we can do that, right? That's the first command only, this one. Okay, now let's just try to revise this quickly. So guys, see, this is how you get the missing values, this is how you replace missing values. These were basic things. Then you can drop this as well. This is also not very difficult, basic part, but this was a little, I would say, if you don't know it, you might not be able to fill it with the last value. So just remember, this method is equal to f fill. I showed you, right? See, here the value is nan, and how that nan got filled with 90.20 because it backfilled. Okay, so just be aware on those lines, and yeah, keep practicing along this series. A lot of videos will come, so stay tuned. Thanks, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel.